Welcome to binaryhackers.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to see some example of break statement and next statement. So let's start. Break.rb. Now I'm going to show you one example of break statement. I give one range for my I variable. If I is greater than 5, then break, and now end. The puts variable value is I, and last end. First let's run this program, then I will explain you how it's actually work. Save. Break.rb. The variable value is 0 1 2 3 4 5. See here, I give a range from 0 to 10, means it count 0 to 10, means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and it store each value in its variable I. The condition here is if I is greater than 5, then break. I use a break statement here. The first value is 0, so 0 is greater than 5, it's a false, okay, because 0 is less than 5. So this statement is not work, and it's print this value. The variable value is 0, you can see here 0. The next value come is 1. So I is 1, 1 is greater than 5, false, this statement is false, so break statement is not happen here. Again it prints the variable value is 1 until it go to the 5. The variable I is equal to 5, then 5 is equal to 5, it's not a less than 5, it's not a greater than 5, then it's print this value, variable value is 5, when the value of I is 6. Okay, the next step is 6, the 6 is greater than 5, so this condition is true when the variable value is 6. Okay, the I value is 6, then the break statement will execute, and it's break this all statement, mean it will not display this statement after the value of I is 6. Therefore you can see here the statement of value is displayed from 0 to 5 only. If I change here like 9, let's run this program. Now it displayed the value, this statement variable value is, and display this I value from 0 1 2 to 9. When the value of I is 10, or we give a range of 10, this statement will break. Okay, this will not execute because when value of I is 10, 10 is greater than 9, and this statement will break. So this is how a break statement actually work. Let's see our next statement, the next. Let's modify this program, so I will explain you how the next statement will work. In range 0 to 10, let's change this greater than sign like this, and 5. We use here next. Okay, let's run this program. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here is a reverse connection, like here is our range 0 to 10. Okay, so value is I, the first value of I is 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4 till 10. When the value of I is less than 5, then it will next command will happen and it will jump directly to this statement. It means that the value of I is when I value is 1, then 1 is less than 5, then next. So it's again go to the first one, then value of I is increment. Okay, the value of I is 2. If I is less than 5 means 2 is less than 5, then next statement. So it's again go to the first line, then value of I is 3, and 3 is less than 5, so this statement will true, and it again go to the next, means again go to the first line. So this will happen until the I value is 6. When the I value is 6, then 6 is less than 5, this statement is wrong, and this program it's not run, it's directly print the variable value is 6. So see here, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means it's print the value after the 5 till your last digit. So this is how a next program is actually work. Thanks for watching.